gorgeous people. It's Subscription Box Saturday, and in today's video, I have for you my January Boxycharm. And don't adjust your screen. My hair is definitely purple. So I just put on another one of my Amazon wigs, and I wanted to have fun because I love purple, and I always wanted purple hair, so it's okay to do purple hair for a day and take it off the next day, you know, whatever you want to do. This one was extremely cheap. It was only like $10, and you can totally tell it's like not as good of quality as the other ones that I got. So if you're gonna wear this one, I would say it's definitely for a costumey kind of thing. I mean, it is purple, but I'm just saying they did sell like regular hair colors, but this one just is really super cheaply made. So it's definitely not one that I would suggest getting unless you're just doing like a dress up kind of thing. Totally great for that kind of thing, but not for everyday use like it's your real hair. Okay. All right, guys. So without further ado, let's jump into this thing. Okay, guys. So here's my box. Let's open her up and see what they gave me this month. I love Boxycharm, guys. They never disappoint. So when I open it up, here's what it looks like on the inside. Don't fall. Don't fall. It didn't fall. Okay, so fresh start. Well, that's a nice little card. We all need a fresh start. And of course, it has everything listed that they gave to me. I have variation. I guess it's BA. I don't know. I'll just zoom in. Maybe for you guys. Hopefully that's working. I don't know. But there's my variation for those of you who are interested. Okay, let's go ahead and start popping her open. We have Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt. Oh, that sounds great to me. Triple Peptide Eye Cream. All right, guys, here it is. There's the packaging. Let's open her up because I keep all my eye creams in hopes that one of them will eventually work. So far, I see tons of wrinkles under my eyes and I don't like it. Okay, let's open this up because I am curious what we got here. Okay. It definitely, well, it looks like this, but it definitely smells medicine-y, so I don't know. It doesn't matter because it just goes under your eyes, so it's not like, I mean, it's not. It's fine. Okay, let's go ahead and see what this is about. Dr. Brandt Do Not Age. It is a triple peptide eye cream. So this deeply hydrating peptide-powered cream helps diminish all signs of aging around the delicate eye area, including lines, wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness for refreshed, younger-looking eyes. And that's for all skin types. Woo, baby! Wow! Hold up, guys. Let's take a look here. So this is 0.5 ounces or 15 grams. And the cost of this baby is $82. So I gotta say, guys, even if it works, I'm most likely not gonna buy any more. Well, it actually works. I might buy more. We'll have to see. I don't know. All right, guys, let's move on. I spent way too much time on that. And this one's all bubble wrapped up. So let's open it up and see what we got here. Ooh, Laura Geller High Def Glow Illuminator Duo. All right. Here is the packaging. Pretty stellar. Love it. All right, let's open it up. Ooh, we have a mirror. Okay, so here it is. Gotta say, guys, I really don't use these things, so this will most likely go to my niece because she does. So I will read about it quickly for you, though. So we have the Laura Geller High Def Glow Illuminator Duo Heart of Gold. So this Illuminator Duo features a shimmer that radiates with pearlescent. There you go. Pearlescent polish and a stardust sparkle. The left shade shimmer is a soft low light of crushed pearl, and the right shade sparkle is a high intensity sparkle that looks as though it was plucked from the night sky. That's pretty cool. All right, so the value of this baby is $33. Okay. Well, that's good. Let's go ahead and get this one because it's kind of staring at me here. So it's Pharmacy Deep Sweep. So it's a pore cleaning toner with moringa and papaya. All right, so let me show you. This thing is huge, guys. Wow. This thing is 4 fluid ounces. I guess most toners are bigger, I guess. I don't know. Let's pop it open so you guys can see the packaging of it. I couldn't get it open without ripping it. I was trying not to. Ooh, nice green color. There you go. That's pretty cool. All right. Oh, that's glass. Wow. Yipers. Okay, it doesn't smell bad. Alrighty. I didn't realize it wasn't going to be a spray, but all right, let's take a look, guys. So this says Pharmacy Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner. So an alcohol-free 2% BHA toner that gently exfoliates, deep cleans pores, and controls oil without overstripping skin. Ideal for combination oily or acne-prone skin. The value of this toner is $28, and like I said, it was 4 fluid ounces. So that's not bad. That's not bad at all. All right, let's grab this guy over here. So this is Bally Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. Oh, that sounds delicious. You guys know how I like for my lip balms to taste good. Hopefully it does. All right, so let's open it up. Oh, great packaging. Ah, great packaging. Look at that, guys. Like, it's green, like leaves and palm tree. I think the purple hair is getting to me. I don't know. Sweet orange and coconut. So this is cool. Oh, it smells so good, guys. Oh, wow. It smells really good. Okay, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit on my lips because it's just a lip balm. It doesn't taste bad. I always like to taste it. It doesn't taste bad. As long as it does its job, that's fine. Oh, I just got lipstick on my card. Okay. So, that aftertaste isn't good. Doesn't taste very good. All right. So, essential oils of sweet orange and coconut give this balm its citrusy, tropical aroma and silky, smooth consistency. Sweet orange is packed with vitamin C, which is known to even tone and protect against free radicals. Coconut is a natural emollient, I should not be reading apparently, that moisturizes for soft, supple lips. The value of this thing, wow, it's $33. So how much did they give me? 15 milliliters. 30. I'm reading it right, guys. $33. Yeah, I would never pay that for a lip balm, especially one that doesn't taste good. Okay, so this is my final product in here, guys, and it's wrapped in this bubble wrap here, and it is a palette. So let's take a look. Ciate London, the Velvet Palette. So it's a 12-piece eyeshadow palette. Here's their packaging. I don't know if I did that or if it was like that. Not sure. I don't know. All right. So let's open her up. Let's see if I can do that with these nails. I hate to damage this because I might be giving it to my nieces, but I want to see what it looks like. All right, here we go. Yeah, it's definitely not me because it's all over. So this thing just kind of speckled about or something. So here's the inside of it. All right, let's open this up and see what we're dealing with here. Ooh, these colors are really pretty. Ooh, yeah, look at that, guys. Yeah, I'm digging the colors. I don't know, I might keep this one for myself. I'm really kind of digging the colors and stuff, so I might keep this one. All right, let's, the card's right here. Let's do a quick read on it. So, Ciate London Velvet Eyeshadow Palette. Create molten metal and matte looks with this palette, featuring a mix of hyper metallics, soft shimmers, and velvety smooth mattes. An innovative powder formulation delivers high pigment with super soft application. I can't read today, guys. I don't know what the deal is. Okay, so the retail price of the palette is $30. Alrighty, dighty. So let me go ahead and do a little tally of everything they sent me in this box, and then I will come back and let you know the total value for this month. Okay, guys, so I have everything tallied up. Let's do a quick recap. So I have the Ciate London Velvet Eyeshadow Palette for $30, the Pharmacy Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner for $28, the Laura Geller High Def Glow Illuminator Duo Heart of Gold for $33, the Dr. Brandt Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide Eye Cream for $82, and the Bally Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm for $33, making the total value for this month's box $206. So again, this one is $25 a month. I get the Boxycharm base box. I have considered upgrading, but I just have never done that because I feel like I get enough products every single month between Boxycharm, Selfie Box, Diva Bag by Sonia, and Ipsy. So I really don't need to upgrade. I'm pretty sure I'm good where I'm at. So I will most likely stay with the base box at $25 a month. So that's all I got for you guys in this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And yeah. I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! Oh, microphone. Darn it. What's up, gorgeous people? It's Subscription Box Saturday and it's Boxycharm. Okay. What's up, gorgeous people? It's Subscription Box Saturday, and in today's subscription, we don't want to say that twice. Why would I say it twice? What's up, gorgeous people? It's Subscription Box Saturday, and then today... I skipped the end. Try it again. Okay, guys, so... Did that work? Oh, it never works the first time. Okay, guys, so... Nope. Boxycharm never disappoints. Let's hope they didn't this month. Okay, so when I open it up, it looks like...